The Air Jordan 13 Flint officially releases on May 30th. Retail is set at $190. So, in this video, we're going to unbox the Flint 13s that I was able to purchase from Nike Sneakers. Nike did a shock drop on this sneaker on Sunday during the last dance. Actually, the Flint 13s wound up shock dropping on the Nike Sneakers app about 5 or 6 minutes before the last dance started. Before it hit 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it was like 8:52, 8:53, something like that. Nike decided to shock drop the Air Jordan 13 Flints, so I'm very excited for this sneaker, man. This is a definite must cop, and these are gonna fly when they release. These are going to sell out very, very fast. I'm going to open these up. We're going to take a look at the sneaker, and then we'll talk about how you guys can cop them, resale predictions, everything. Everything you guys need to know about the Air Jordan 13 Flint will be in this video. So let's go ahead and open these up. If you guys are new here and you love sneakers, make sure you guys hit that like button and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Now let's take a look at these Flints. I'm hyped for these. Definitely a must cop. And we haven't seen this sneaker in 10 years. 2010 is the last time this sneaker released. I actually got into sneakers in 2010. I've owned the 2010 Flint 13s about 4, maybe 5 times before. I never wind up keeping them. I always regret selling them, but I've gotten such good offers on them before. Like, I said I was not going to sell them, but I got like extremely highballed like every time, and I had to go ahead and let them go for the offers that I did get. But now finally Jordan Brand has decided to retro the Jordan 13 Flint. So the official colorway is navy university blue, retail at $190. We got the Jordan 13 box. And let's take a look at the Flint 13s. If you guys are new here, once again, please hit that like button. Let's see if we can get this video up to 500 likes. That would be amazing. And I'll do a sneaker giveaway. I'll announce a brand new sneaker giveaway if we can get this video to 500 likes. Let's take a look. Wow. Holy crap. So these are the Air Jordan 13 Flints. I'm going to take both of them out and we'll take a look at this beautiful pair of Jordans, man. These things are so fire. So fresh. I'm hype. They are finally retroed, man. It's been a long time. 10 years since the last time we saw this sneaker retro. I'm hype. As you guys can see, they did an amazing job on this sneaker. Quality of the leather, it's soft. I mean, it could be a lot softer, but it's pretty soft on the toe box. Let me pull out the shoe tray, and we'll get a little bit of a feel. So, some decent quality there on the toe box. A little bit of tumbleness to the leather. Nothing too crazy, though. And we do have some decent suede in that Flint gray. And then we have the blue, which is all 3M. The 2010 retro, they slacked. They did not give us 3M, but they finally gave us 3M on the Flint 13s, man. Fire. I think the last time we saw 3M on the Flint 13s was the 04 pair. Was it 04, 05, one of those years. But the OGs do have 3M, so I'm happy that they decided to put 3M on this sneaker. This is a shoe that's going to sell out very, very fast. A lot of people, you know, a lot of older heads are going to come out and pick this sneaker up. So the Flint 13s are going to sell out very, very fast. The hype is going to be there for this sneaker. Now, how can you cop this sneaker for retail when they do officially release on May 30th? You need to make sure that you're on top of this release because, like I just said, these are going to sell out very, very fast. There will be restocks of this sneaker just like the Fire Red 5s, just like the DMP 6s. It is one of those releases, so if you didn't have a hard time getting the Fire Red 13s, the DMP 6s, the Flint 13 release will be around the same as those two releases. They mass-produced this sneaker because they know a lot of people are going to want them, but because they mass-produced them doesn't mean they're going to sit. This sneaker is not going to sit. This sneaker is going to fly very, very fast, just like it did in 2010. This sneaker is a OG colorway, and you're going to have a lot of people, a lot of older heads come out and pick up the Flint 13s. Any OG Jordan colorway is mostly when you see, you know, the older heads, the people that are not into the everyday sneaker, you know, every week, but you see a lot of the older heads, you know, that pick up their Jordans once in a while, the OG colorways. Those are the people that are going to come out to pick up this sneaker. Just like we saw with the Bread 11s, just like we saw the DMP 6s, Fire Red 5s. It's those type of releases that just make people want to go out and pick up this sneaker. So they will sell out. Every retailer is going to have them, though. So any Jordan Brand retailer, every Jordan Brand retailer will have the Flint 13s for sale on May 30th. Now, the Nike Sneakers app obviously is going to have them 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All the Foot sites, Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs, Finish Line, every Jordan Brand retailer, Chic, Shoe Palace, name a sneaker retailer, name a Jordan brand retailer, and they're picking up and they're going to have the Flint 13s to sell you guys for retail when they do officially drop. This is, once again, a massive release, but they will sell out. Now, when it comes to resell, right now, if you have them in hand like I do, there is a little bit of resell, a little bit of money to be made because you do have them early. But on May 30th, this sneaker is going to be very similar to the DMP6's Fire Red 5s when it comes to resell. There's not going to be much money to be made on this sneaker really at all, especially for now. This sneaker retails at $190. You're going to see them go for around $220, $230. Nothing too crazy over retail. When you pay, shipping, tax, you're not really making much money, if any money really at all. So they're not going to be too hard to get. There's not going to be much resell, but this is a sneaker that will go up in price over time. These will hit like $300, but it will take quite a bit of time. I don't think it's necessarily worth holding on to though. So in my opinion, if you do have them right now, especially in hand, go ahead and sell them. Wait for them to come back out on May 30th. Pick up a pair and then try to sell them locally. Locally will definitely be your best bet because apps take out fees, and that's just part of your profit. If they're going for a little bit over retail, you'll just wind up getting basically around retail on the apps. So you do want to sell them locally to maximize your profits. This is not a sneaker I would necessarily invest in because it's just going to take too long for them to go up in price, but they are fire, man. Very, very clean. Like I said, a lot of people are going to pick these up. They will sell out. So let me know what you guys think about the Flint 13s down below in the comment section. Will you be picking up a pair when they do officially release on May 30th? How did you do on that shock drop? I told you guys the shock drop was happening. I dropped the video. I told you guys. So if you guys need to be up to date, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that like button as well. Let's see if we can get this video up to 500 likes like I said before. That would be amazing. You guys are absolutely the best. Let me know what you guys think about the Flint 13s down below in the comment section. Will you be picking up a pair on May 30th? Retail $190, totally worth it in my opinion. These things are amazing. This right here is one of the best Jordan 13s in my opinion ever. I absolutely love the Flint 13s. I love the Bread 13s. The He Got Games might be my favorite, but these are definitely up there for me as well. You cannot go wrong with the Air Jordan 13 Flint. This is one of those sneaker releases for me personally where there's nostalgia to it because this is one of the first sneakers I've ever had. Like, this is maybe top 15 or 20 sneakers I ever had in my collection when I first got into sneakers back in 2010. So I'm very, very happy that these are back out. This is a must cop for me personally. I'm going to wind up selling this pair now, and then I'll pick them up again when they do release on May 30th. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about the Flint 13s? Will you be picking them up? If you take an L, will you be paying that little bit of resale price that there's going to be on the sneaker? Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about the Flint 13s. Let me know what's your favorite Air Jordan 13. Let me know. OG colorways only. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'm going to have to go probably, like I said, with the He Got Games. Probably the Flints, the Chicagos, and the Breads. All fire, man. All absolutely fire. So I'm very, very happy with the Flint 13 release. These are fire. I still have my Cherry 13s, which released, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago, and I still haven't worn those. So I still got to bring those out as well. Those are still dead stock, but now I got the Flint 13s as well, man. These are fire. Definitely an amazing shoe. Thank you so much, Jordan Brand, for bringing these back out. Now, guys, these are definitely going to sell out. One more thing. These are going to sell out, especially because of The Last Dance. It just ended, and this was the sneaker to basically end it off. So, yeah, these are going to fly when they do release on May 30th. Good luck. Let me know down below in the comments if you're going to try to pick them up. Quality on the Flint 13 is very, very good in my opinion. I don't see any glue stains. I don't see anything wrong. Usually 13s have like a bunch of glue on the back over here, or a bunch of stains and whatnot from Jordan Brand quality control. But no, man, this is a really clean pair. They did an amazing job on this retro. The leather is soft. Hey, I cannot complain. There's 3M on the shoe. Jordan Brand, you did an amazing job. You really did on this Jordan 13 Flint. Thank you so much, man. I'm happy as hell with this retro. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Flint 13s, and if you will be picking up a pair when they do drop on May 30th. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.